There is a reason you've always felt different from the people around you. Not superior, not better. Just different. Since early in life, something inside you told you that you didn't fully belong to the world you were born into. While others seemed comfortable following the crowd, you questioned everything. While others chased approval, you searched for meaning. This message is for those who have felt that quiet inner separation their entire lives. Chosen ones are not obvious at first glance. They don't always stand out with loud confidence or visible power. Instead, their difference is internal, subtle, spiritual, and often misunderstood. These are 7 strange signs that reveal why you were never meant to be like the rest. The first sign is a deep sense of inner awareness. You notice patterns, intentions, and truths that others completely miss. Conversations feel shallow, social games feel exhausting. You often see through masks without trying. This awareness can feel like a burden, because once you see clearly, you can't unsee. God gives this perception to chosen ones, because their path requires discernment, not blindness. The second sign is isolation, not because you want to be alone, but because connection feels rare. Even in rooms full of people, you can feel disconnected. This is not loneliness, it's separation. Chosen ones are often removed from crowds so they can hear their own soul. Isolation is not punishment, it is preparation. Silence is where clarity is born. The third sign is emotional depth. You feel things intensely: joy, pain, injustice, beauty. Music moves you, words affect you. Energy shifts change your mood. People may call you too sensitive, but sensitivity is not weakness. It is spiritual intelligence. God entrusts emotional depth only to those strong enough to carry it. The fourth sign is a life filled with challenges that don't seem fair. You may have faced rejection, misunderstanding, or pressure early on. While others were protected, you were tested. This is because chosen ones are refined, not sheltered. The Bible shows us again and again, those destined for greater purpose are shaped through fire. Pain was not sent to break you, it was sent to prepare you. The fifth sign is a natural resistance to authority that lacks truth. You respect wisdom, not titles. You follow principles, not popularity. You can sense when leadership is hollow or when systems are built on lies. This doesn't make you rebellious, it makes you aligned. Chosen ones cannot blindly follow structures that violate their inner truth. The sixth sign is an unshakable pull toward purpose. Even when life is stable, something inside you feels unfinished. You feel called toward something bigger, even if you can't name it yet. This restlessness is not dissatisfaction, it is remembrance. Your soul knows there is more because it remembers the assignment placed upon it. The seventh sign is that people react strongly to you without knowing why. Some feel drawn to you, others feel threatened. Your presence activates something in them. Light exposes what darkness tries to hide. Chosen ones don't need to speak to trigger reactions. Their energy alone does it. This is why you must be careful where you place your spirit. If you recognize yourself in these signs, understand this: you were never meant to blend in. You were meant to awaken, to question, to elevate. Being different was not a mistake. It was the design. God separates certain souls because they are meant to see further, feel deeper, and walk paths others cannot survive. Another strange sign is how you relate to time. While most people rush through life chasing distractions, you often feel an urge to slow down and reflect. You sense that moments carry meaning, that silence has value, and that not everything needs to be said or done immediately. This awareness makes you appear distant to some, but it's because your soul operates beyond urgency. Chosen ones understand that timing matters more than speed. There is also the discomfort you feel when living without authenticity. You cannot pretend for long. You can't sustain masks, false roles, or superficial versions of yourself just to fit in. Even when pretending would make life easier, something inside you resists. This inner friction exists because chosen ones are designed to live in alignment with truth. Comfort without truth feels unbearable to a soul that was created for depth. And finally, there is the strange calm you find during chaos. While others panic, you often become still. In moments of crisis, your mind sharpens instead of collapsing. This is not emotional coldness, it is inner stability. Chosen ones develop this calm because their path demands clarity under pressure. Stop trying to become like the rest. The rest were never called to carry what you carry. Motivation. You need where your awareness expands and your soul finds direction.